Look at this giant train. If you know what is it, please do comment. Let me show you in brief. There is Indian Railways MFS 120 year 2021 Plasser India. This is not very big in size. Look at this. There is total 4 bogies as I observed from here. You can see. I think it is cleaning the conker which is poured below the railway track. Look at this. Here you can see the dust which is removed. There is continued build track on the bogies. Look, every bogie is continuing this build track. Look at there. So that's it for now. Actually, I don't well aware of this vehicle. If anyone knows, please do comment and share your valuable information on this video comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.